Is it possible for sciatica to return after treatment, and how can recurrence be prevented?
Yes, it is possible for the sciatica to return after treatment if your treatment has not addressed the root cause of your sciatica. So, if you've not treated the cause and temporarily only taken care of the pain or the symptoms of sciatica, there is a large chance and a large possibility for your sciatica to return. So, when you are seeking treatment for your sciatica, ensure that you address the root cause, which could be poor ergonomics, which could be muscle weakness, which could be muscle imbalance, or lack of mobility in any of your pelvic or hip joints. So, unless you address those, there's a large chance of your sciatica to reoccur even after you've finished an entire treatment protocol. So, to ensure a long term solution for your sciatica, visit our spine specialist at the nearest QI spine clinic.
Call us at 080 352 16995 for first free consultation.